Hey guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in making these super easy and delicious lasagna rolls, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're going to start off with a pot and we're going to put a little olive oil in there. And we're going to add in 1 cup of diced yellow or white onion and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And I have my stove on about medium or medium high. And we're going to cook that for about 3 minutes until the onions are soft and the garlic is golden brown. And now we're going to add in 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using lean ground beef. And you just want to make sure you chop that up into nice small pieces and cook until it's brown. Now we're going to add in our marinara sauce. And this is the brand I use. I get it from Walmart. And it's a 32-ounce jar. I'm going to add 2 jars of this because we want it nice and saucy and nice and meaty. I like to use a whole lot of meat sauce in my lasagna. Okay, and then we're just going to stir that up. You mix it up really well. And then I'm going to go ahead and season this. So I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, depending on what kind of marinara you're using and your taste. And then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and then 2 teaspoons of onion powder. And we're going to mix all of that up. Make sure you mix it up really good. And then I'm going to add my top on, and I just want that to simmer for about 5 minutes. So once it starts simmering like this, you just want to stir it up and we can set this pot to the side. Now we're going to start with our filling. I'm going to use 1 1/2 cup of ricotta cheese, 1 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then I'm going to use 3/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And we're going to mix all of that up together really well until it looks like this. All right. Now I'm going to whisk 1 egg lightly. This is 1 large egg. I'm going to put that in there. And here's a cup of chopped spinach. Just 1 cup of chopped spinach. I just chopped up some baby spinach until I had a cup. We're going to pour that in there and mix all of that together really well. You want to make sure it's nice and creamy. Once it looks like this, it is ready. Now we're going to set that to the side, and here are 6 lasagna noodles that I have. These are 6 cooked noodles that I boiled with some water and a little olive oil, and I'm just going to spread my filling into each noodle. Now this recipe can make about 10 lasagna rolls, but I'm just going to make 6. And anything left over, I'll store in my fridge so I can have some to make for another night. Now I'm going to just roll these lasagna noodles, and you just want to make sure you tuck and roll them nice and tight like this, and make sure you keep it, you can pat the sides if the filling starts to kind of squeeze out as you're rolling them. But I think they're just so cute. Now we're gonna take us a baking dish, and I sprayed it a little bit down with a little cooking spray. And we're gonna take our meat sauce and we're just gonna put some at the bottom. Now we're gonna lay our lasagna rolls on top. And then we're going to put some more meat sauce on the top. And I cannot stress this enough. Make sure you're using enough meat sauce. This is why I make a lot of meat and sauce, because you don't want too much roll and not enough meat, you know. And now I'm going to add on my mozzarella cheese. I'm just taking some more shredded mozzarella cheese. And do not be shy when it comes to putting this mozzarella cheese on there. You want to make sure you have enough cheese. Make sure you put it on top of each one, nice and thick, and in between and on the sides as well. We want it nice and saucy and nice and cheesy, so we have enough sauce and cheese for each roll. Then I went and put that into my oven for 40 to 45 minutes on 350 degrees. You want that cheese to get nice and brown like you see right here. And yeah, that's it. They are all done. You just want to let that cool for about 15 minutes before you cut into it, like I'm doing right now. I'm going to cut into it so you can see how it looks. Look how cheesy and saucy it is, and The mozzarella cheese got a nice golden brown color on it. And guys, I promise you these taste just as good as they look. All right, and like I said before, these do make about 10 lasagna rolls, but you don't have to make it all at once like I didn't. I just store the rest in my refrigerator, so you know, when I need to make more, I can just pull it out really easy, and all I have to do is assemble. Guys, this tastes so good. This is probably the best lasagna I've ever made. I'm gonna have all the ingredients and the recipe in the description below. I'm just gonna cut into it so you can see how it looks. You can see it's cheesy. It's just so you can taste all the flavors in this: the garlic, the onion, tomatoes, the cheeses. You can taste everything. It's so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And I really hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'm so glad you stopped by to see me today, and see you next time. Bye bye.